In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change nicknames on Discord servers. Changing a nickname is great for organizing teams, matching in-game names, or keeping things friendly and readable. To do this for someone else, you'll need the right permission in that server, usually manage nicknames or administrator. If you're updating your own nickname, most servers allow it unless an admin has restricted it. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. The steps are the same. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so the changes apply in the right place. Next, choose the server where you want the nickname changed. Your servers are listed on the left sidebar as icons. Click the one you need and the server will open. On the right side of the screen, you should see the member list. If you don't see it, maximize the window or use the member list toggle at the top right to reveal the online and offline members. Find the member whose nickname you want to edit in that list or in a channel's participant list. Right-click their name to open the user context menu. This menu lets you manage everything related to that user within the server. From the menu, select Change Nickname. If you don't see this option, you likely don't have permission or the member has a higher role than you. In that case, reach out to a moderator or server owner. A small window will appear with a nickname field. Click into the field and type the nickname you want this member to display on this server. Keep it clear and recognizable and follow any server rules about formatting or content. Remember, this change affects only this one server. It does not modify the user's global username. When you're happy with it, click Save. The nickname updates immediately and you'll see it in the member list and next to their messages going forward. If it doesn't appear right away, switch channels or briefly collapse and reopen the member list to refresh your view. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, go to the right server, right-click the member, choose Change Nickname, enter the name, and hit Save. Use nicknames to improve clarity during events, distinguish roles, or keep things consistent across games and projects. If you ever need to revert, edit the same field again and clear it to return to the member's default display name as long as your permissions allow it.